You know, I've been watching this documentary or documentaries about women who are regretting divorcing their husbands. And sometimes I feel good women, they need to be protected, from themselves or against themselves because they are in danger, like children, they can harm themselves. And when they are together, they don't tell each other the truth. They advise each other, ngamasimba. Even if a woman is married for 20 years, got everything, one mistake or over a temporary thing, such as a feeling, something that will come and go. And her friends will tell her, which you deserve better, Chomi. There are cars in the house, children, private schools, they will break the marriage, especially the modern woman, you know. They've terminated marriages more than husbands. As a guy, you know, in fact, you can meet the Miss Universe, but you've got that thing with, that's my wife. I made a vow, so fast lahlan. So women, you can fuck some guy, some random guy, a guy who's unemployed, is probably driving a van, taking one or two kids to school, and leave a doctor, a medical doctor, an engineer, and fuck up that relationship because of a temporary climax and something that will go away because that guy now, he's got his highs and lows. He'll reach, his anticlimax, As a guy, you can hold it. Which could just in fact. After years with that, this is my woman. You don't feel, good on the high all the time. So women, they hold on to this fairy tale thing, feeling, and their friends, they'll tell them what you deserve better, Chom. Even where you made a mistake, Baba. I'm not talking about he almost killed you. Honest mistake, I'll tell you what you know what, Chom? He did it once, he's gonna do it again. There is no room for forgiveness. To them, it's a perfect world. Ngathi kusama Popeye. They live in a Popeye world. And then majority of these women, they come back because they realize that the streets are not so kind. Most of the guys, because you're a return soldier, they don't see you the same, They fuck. They are there for the fuck because they know that you're vulnerable. You want to lock in a man. You now doing everything. You're going an extra mile, more than what you did to your husband. You're now even funding the relationships because in most cases, you go for a broke guy. He's younger. You're taking him out. You're buying him clothes. He comes to your house. He fucks you in your house, he fucks you inside your car, he drives your car, you're taking him to holidays. And then they realize that even that guy, he's a cheater. Or he's invested somewhere. We are older, you got a kid, maybe you don't have a kid, and the body count keeps on piling. And later they want to come back and they realize that this guy, with all his flaws, was okay. Tonight, guys, it's very rare you can find a group of men telling another man to say, leave your wife. I will afraid you. No, guys, I've never met such guys. They will tell you, go and fix things. Nice guys will only say, and fix things because we are fixers. But women, they want to live on a high, on a climax, Shama 6 rounds all the time. And now the stress of money, there are certain things you lose, one contract over there, you are unemployed for 2 months and the tension is so high. At the time when you need someone who's going to come and say, you know what, baby, I know you. You're a tiger. You're a fighter. Remember, on such a day and what happened? I'm fit, you came through. Him fit, they'll push you down and even tell you what, you know what? Yeah, they warned me about you. Why didn't I listen? My parents told me. Oh, my friends, warned me about you. And there's like how you feel with this shit. Because they seek advisors from their friends who are singing. And this friend will be advising them, solo. The husband is not even there, to give his side of the story or to get the benefit of this advice. And now you come, with full of advices from this loser friend of yours. And now you're expecting this guy to do 1, 2, 3. And this poor man doesn't even know that the resolution that were taken somewhere, the conclusion, you're supposed to do this according to what they concluded with their friends. They concluded they're in a corner drinking champagne. If he doesn't do this, go and check him, just check and test. And when you don't even know that you're being tested, because this person is not a counselor. If it was a professional counselor, because it doesn't, bring your husband And let's see how can we solve these things. And your husband knows what is expected, because men, they don't read minds. Men, sometimes they are dumb. They don't know. But it is interesting to check many women who had a good thing going back to the streets, being harmed left and right. Imagine, Baba, in your late 30s, you think that you're going to meet a 20-year-old guy, 27-year-old guy. The guy is there for the fuck. He's there for the experience, because you're now giving. And single mom, they're giving it. Divorced women, they're giving it. How many women, check the statistics, how many women, I'm not disputing, there are those who said, my first husband, it was bad, but now I'm happy. Bravo to them, Yeah, but in majority, it doesn't happen. In majority, I know people personally, they've been struggling forever, and they dump, a good guy because he had flaws here and there. You're never going to find someone who's 100%, You're going to dump a guy who's got 80, 90% of things that you want, because you saw 10% in that guy. And that guy, because he said hi, you look good, on social media. The guy lives in Alexander, in a shack. He lives in Diepsloot. You live a mansion. Tonight, guys, we check. Here, the feelings are no longer there. Sometimes you meet somebody else, Papa, at work, or, shut ding dong. Shut ding dong. But you're never going to leave your woman over, something, a temporary feeling such as love. You lost feelings for now. But women do. They're no longer, feeling fulfilled in this relationship. And then it comes back. The guy has moved on with somebody else. But it happens. But it's interesting watching these women, modern women. And then they want to shame, the older women, elder women before them, which they were stupid, because they got a little bit of money and career. You ever felt? Our mothers, there were times time at the span. There was a time where your father didn't work, maybe because he lost employment for a month or two. Your mom came through, but not these modern women. These modern women, they'll tell you that I cannot suffer with a man. I mean, I've been told that, in my previous life. I cannot suffer with a man. You cannot fuck me and then fuck my mind. You cannot fuck me on top, And they forget, because women, history doesn't matter. It's what you can do now. They'll tell you that you cannot eat me both ways. You cannot eat me here and you also eat my mind. And then you say, I bought this guy a car. She's driving my car. I bought this. And as a guy, you're not going to pinpoint and say, I did this and did this, because those are feminine things. As a guy, man, as a real man, even when you bought gifts, you don't come, that way and say, I want my phone. When the relationship is no longer working, I want this, I want this. It's feminine stuff, But women, the modern women, they are cooked, Baba. They are cooked. That's why you no longer see weddings, weekends, even festive, Baba. In the past, you'd see cars, Baba, decorated, like, freeway, I want to fit by shooty tombe. You no longer see that. Taking photos, you no longer see that. It's the hit and run. I'm independent, You cheat, I cheat. We are there, red flag. Toxic masculinity, because they cannot be corrected, especially black women. They cannot be corrected. I'm not, excusing men. You've got losers. You've got fucked up men as well. Because a modern boy now, entire you car boy, it's Puzani boy, because most of them they're raised by single mothers. Boy, it's Puzani boy. So I lost tennis course is all a boy. Are we a stadium boy? I saw Peggy TV there. Yeah, manje, Banabalebaka, I'm fair to. It's all that. I'm fair to. I'm fair to Mabani, I'm fair to. I'm fair to Altel, I'm fair to Fanka, GTI, I'm fair to 19-inch. Guys are there. They're no longer building. Back in the days, you met a woman, beautiful woman. She asked you, where to from now? You worked because you wanted to marry this woman. Women nowadays, they no longer want to get married. They feel like they're doing you a favor. They want the streets, because the streets are enticing. They see what's posted on social media, and they cannot even distinguish what's posted on social media. It's fake news. That's why I'm saying some people need to be protected for themselves, because if you post a picture, 1,000 guys gonna give you likes, but how many of those 1,000 likes they want you? You think attention, it's a need. You think attention, it's a demand from them, and a demand could be a demand for hit and run, for the fuck of it, and then they move. with so many illnesses as well. So there's always something better, always something better out there. But it was quite interesting to check these women. They say, I want my husband back. They're crying. And they were celebrating when they were getting divorced, moving up and down and telling their friends, oh, I'm so happy. And if you ask them, the decisions are so trivial. And most of them, some I can understand. Maybe it's a deal breaker. The guy cheated once. And it doesn't mean that he's going to do it again. Sometimes there's a valid reason, because there are some people you try to touch them. No, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Why are you touching my hair? And that goes on for months. And the guy eventually goes to the streets, or he finds something quickly at work, And you check these guys, the reasons are always, trivial. Even money comes and go. I mean, how many business people have filed for bankruptcy? Donald Trump at some point, 1991, he had zero, below zero. He himself even said, "Good, that hobo is better than me," And they go become mistresses to another married guy. I mean, you divorce this guy because he cheated once in 20 years, and then you go become a mistress. And this guy was maybe top 10 of the most wanted guys. You go fuck a guy who's down there. He's already married. You become a side chick. Want to be a second wife. Is that a step up? And your friends are going to say, no, it's a choice, happiness. Because feminists, they're going to advise you on Masimba. About who hurt you. When you try to correct them, who hurt you? My past is my past, but your past is prohibiting you from your happiness. Happiness, it's a temporary feeling. It's a feeling. It's like being angry now. Sometimes you're angry at work. You come tomorrow, you're excited. Something happens. Relationships are like that. Sometimes you're angry now. The people that you love the most, they will upset you the most. And one day, it comes back. You can't leave your work because your boss or your manager said this today. Because 6 months, from now on, even if it is continuous, there are certain things that you can fix within that. You can, deal with that better. But we're always told, there's something better out there. But anyway, let me go.